it is extremely easy to set up a call on the Aeroflex 7100 and do a series of measurements. So regardless of whether you're a protocol engineer, RF engineer, or someone with very little technical knowledge working in a test lab, you can use the 7100 from day one with very little training. So let's see how it works. To set up a call on the 7100, we first need to configure the parameters. So we can simply move to the parameter configuration window, and this is where we can set all the parameters. Once we have configured our parameters, we can apply them or load the existing parameter file which we have saved earlier. When our parameters are correct, we can go back to the main call box screen and create our LTE cell. When our cell is active, any UE with the right setting can register with the network. All the message exchange between the 7100 and the UE are logged, so you can click on any message and get a full decode of that in front of you on the screen. You also have the option of seeing all the RF measurements by simply switching to the RF measurements screen. This is where you see all the RF measurements that are currently performed on the uplink channel. Using the 7100 call box mode, you can also run 3GPP 36521 Section 6 and 7 RF test cases, which are all provided as standard. The 7100 test case execution window is divided into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is where you can select any of the 3GPP 36521 RF test cases. So simply select any test case from Section 6 or Section 7 of the 3GPP test cases. Once the test case has been selected, you can change any parameters to the desired value. When the parameters have been set, simply click on the Run button to run the test case. When the test case has been run, you can see all the test steps in the bottom left screen. When the test case has successfully passed, you can see the results at the top section of the screen. So for example, here we have a pass. You can also run a group of test cases in a campaign. To run that, you simply move to the Campaign Manager window, and in here you can simply drag and drop any test case that you wish to include in your campaign. Once all the test cases have been included in the campaign, simply click on the Run button to run the campaign. The campaign will automatically run all the test cases one by one. The results of the campaign will be all displayed in the next window and also stored as an HTML file for later use. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye on aeroflex.com for more updates.